Blessing everyone. I have a special recipe for you today. It's my seafood boil. In here with the stove on medium, I'm gonna add butter to give it flavor, some salt, and I'm gonna put everything in the description box. Salt, complete seasoning, I like a lot of flavor, so I put some complete seasoning and some garden season flavor rice. I'm gonna put everything in the description box, and I'm just gonna let that boil. We have all our dry ingredients and our fresh ingredients. So now we are going to melt our butter. Place your fire on low heat just to melt the butter. And I'm using 2 sticks of butter. Add all your dry and wet herbal seasoning. I just mix them together and just put them in the pot. And just stir them in the pot. We're gonna add our scallion, onion. This is purple onion, regular onion, and garlic. We're gonna add them to the pot. These are all our fresh herbs. You just add them to the pot. And just stir everything together. The water that cooked the corn and the potato, the seasoned water, I'm gonna add some to this pot here. The water that cooked the potato and the corn, just add 1 cup because it was seasoned. So just add 1 cup to this. You're gonna let this cook down. You saw it? Nice and it has a lot of flavor in it. Very delicious. I add a half of Scotch bonnet pepper to give it a flavor. It's just gonna flavor the pot. So I just put it right here. Just leave the tail on for a great presentation. So you just leave the tail on and you make sure you do the underneath here. The top and the bottom. So this is the bottom. These large shrimp have top and bottom. And here I remove the one here at the top. So you do remove the top and the bottom. So it's clean and you leave the tail on for a great presentation. Wash the crab leg properly and take off all the black spot off it. Just wash it. I wash it with some lemon. Make sure you wash and rinse all seafood properly. And with the lobster, you wash it properly too. Make sure you wash it and scrub it. Make sure it's clean. If you have a brush, just use the brush and wash it. And then you're going to remove these parts under here. Just remove the fins from under here. Just cut them off. You're going to use a scissors to just cut this open. So I cut it. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to lift it up. Then I'm going to put it like this and I'm going to season it. I'm going to season it and put it in the oven. Pour some of the water to boil your crab. This is the seasoned water from the corn and the potato. Just pour some in there to boil the crab. I'm just covering it with wax paper, then I'm gonna put foil paper on the top. And I'm gonna let the crab legs cook before I add the shrimp and lobster. Cook. Just before the crab legs finish cook, then I'll add the lobster and the shrimp. The marinated lobster and shrimp. So I'm gonna pour the sauce on so you can see it right now. Baste the lobster with the sauce. And it's gonna marinate. And you can just pour some over the shrimp because you're basting it. So you just baste the shrimp. Make sure your shrimp is basted properly. Season up the shrimp good. So all this flavor is gonna get into the shrimp. Everything, and just pour the sauce over everything and let it cook. The shrimp is here, it's gonna cook 10 minutes. And just put it back in the oven for 10 minutes with all the sauce over it. 10 minutes. And the shrimp is gonna cook. 10 minutes and everything will be ready. But we don't want the shrimp rubbery, so we're just gonna cook it for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna cover it and cook it for 10 more minutes just to let the shrimp cook. There you have it, family, your seafood boil. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you, wish you all the best.